want to point out how out of place that looks. Sorry, my lens here. I just want to point out how out of place that looks. Pollution doesn't look natural in nature. This is why we have to fight for nature, because we are her advocates. I don't know. Is it, babe?
There's the exit, right? Oh,
exit, is it? I thought there's a name on the thing there, but I couldn't read it. Can you read it? American something. My camera's all out of focus. Here we are. We're going to the party. Here we are. We're going to the party. Yeah.
It's before I still have to pay to get in.
I think so. I'm not sure how this is gonna go down. Been a long time since I've been back to Gibson. Go back over there. Do parties. Oh, let me take my sign down. Daddy can't see. Okay, everybody. Almost to the party. Hip hip hooray. Yes, look how ugly that is. That's just nasty pollution there.